How to fix app is opening as background processes in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. End the process and restart the app. Sometimes an app hangs in the background. Ending its process and restarting it can restore normal behavior. Right-click the app and select End Task. Wait a few seconds, then launch the app again. Check if the app opens normally. It's worth noting that the app's update process depends on which app you are having problem with. If it's a native app such as Photos, you can update it via Microsoft Store. Otherwise, you can look for in-app options or visit the official website of the developer. Check for available updates. Install any updates and restart the app. Check if the app now opens properly. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, a corrupted user profile may cause apps to malfunction and run in the background only. Creating a new profile can help determine if this is the case. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.